I didn't see it there. So this week, we're gonna be drawing figures, building models.
Actually, drawing one, you're gonna start out just using the sighting stick on a still life. Don't worry, later you're gonna build figures. Drawing two, you're doing some figures.
But first, we gotta catch one. So, come on, let's draw. This week, we're going to use a sighting stick to get our proportions. Sighting sticks are great for measuring the sizes of things relative to other things. Also, for the access lines of the figures that you are drawing. When you use a sighting stick, it is important that you hold it out with one hand, close one eye, and then view your subject in this manner to properly use it. Adjust your thumb as a measuring tool so that you can compare the sizes of certain things. For example, the head compared to the length of the body. So give it a shot this week and let's draw.
Imagination, wonder and awe. Come on, let's draw.